In this video, we look into JavaScript operators. First of all, let us see assignment operator. Here, I'll take a variable equal to 1. Then I'll assign to y, where y is equal to x, and document dot write. I'll write the y, then save it. Here I am saying it as script2 dot js. Save. Now we'll call this file from a HTML page. I got an HTML page here. Here the header, right, script rc equal script2.js slash script. Save it. File, view in browser. You can see this one has been shown here. So when we took x is equal to 1 but displayed y is showing us 1. So this is how we can assign operators in JavaScript. Now we'll take x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, and we want to make x is equal to x plus y. So that can be shown here as, so if we want, I'm just commenting it here, x is equal to x plus y. We want this. So that can be depicted as x plus is equal to y. And then we'll display x. So this means x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. Now x plus is equal to y should be x is equal to x plus y. That is 1 plus 2 is 3. X should give us an answer of 3. Let's save this. Go to HTML page. File. View in browser. You can see this 3 has been displayed here. So now let us take the strings of constants. So here we'll take where one is equal to ABC, where str2 is equal to DEF, where str3 is equal to str1 plus, I'll give a hyphen, plus str2, and then we'll display the str3 document.write 3. Save. Let's go to the HTML page. Here we are calling here script2.js. File, view in browser. So now we got str3 as abc-def because we have given here str1 plus hyphen plus str2, and we have printed str3. Now let us look at some arithmetic operators. We delete this. Look into arithmetic operators, where x is equal to 10, take where y is equal to 20, where is equal to 100. So we got three variables x, y, z, 10, 20 and 100. Now we will do some arithmetic operation for this. We'll take where p is equal to x into y. X into y would be 100, 200, and then for that we'll add z plus z, that will be 300. We'll do minus y, that will be 280. Now we'll take this, then we'll divide it by x. So 280 by x by 10 would be 28. We'll display p here, document.write p. So we should get 28. Save, email, file, view in browser. So we got the answer 28 here. So we made this calculation, x into y plus z minus y divided by x, and we got the answer 28. Now how do we write 2 to the power of 3? So where x is equal to 2 star 3, and we print x. So x would be 2 to the power of 3, that is star. That should be 8. Save it, go to the HTML page, file, view in browser. See the answer, we got it as 8. Let me delete other screens. So we got only 8. So that's how we can write that to the power of 3. Now let's see modulus. Where x is equal to 37, percentage symbol denotes modulus, percentage 5. That is 5 7 35, and the remainder would be 2. So if you write x, the remainder should be 2. So I saved it. Now go to the HTML page, file, view in browser. So this is 2. So modulus gives us the remainder. Now let us see how we increment x by 10 by 1. So x is equal to 10, and I say x plus, we are going to display x. Save it, go to HTML page, file, view in browser. You can see x is now 11. So here we have incremented x by 1. Similarly, x minus will decrement it by 1. Now let us look into comparison operators. This should be comparison. So we'll take x is equal to 1. We can just omit where directly give x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, z is equal to 2, and str is equal to 1 in quotes, denoting that it is a string, and these are the constants. And now we want to compare these. So if I say compare x is equal to y, x is 1, y is 1, so it should be true. Let me take it brace. Here I'll add a br tag so that there will be a line break, so that I can give other statements so that they come in different lines. Because we are using a HTML tag here, we are giving it in double quotes. This is the script or JavaScript file. So in a JavaScript file, we'll give the HTML tags in double quotes. Now copy this, paste it here. I'll compare x is not equal to y, and then plus br. Now copy it, paste it again. Here we'll compare x is equal to c. Here we'll give two line breaks. That next statements we can write it after two line breaks. Save it. So the answer we should get is document.write x is equal to y, x is 1, y is 1, so it should be true. Should get answer as true. And x is not equal to y. So x is 1 and y is equal to 1. So this should be false. X is equal to z. X is 1, y is equal to z is equal to 2. So this is also false because it is not equal. False. Save it. So we should get answer true, false, false. Let's go here, file, and view in browser. True, false, false. What we got here? True, false, false. Now we'll see triple equal to. We place this x and then equal to is equal to is equal to. This will compare both the data type and its value. So x triple equal to y, that is x is 1 and y is 1. Even the data type is not string because str is a string here because we given it in quotes. Here both are constant. So document.write x triple is equal to y should be true. And here if I say x triple equal to c, this is 1 and this is 2. So that should be false. Double slash here that it will comment should be false. And if I compare it with the str x triple equal to, if I compare it with str, x is 1 and str is also 1, but this is a string. Triple equal to will compare what data type it is to, so it will give us false. So here the second set of statements we are getting true, false and false. Let us go to HTML, file, view in browser. Here we are getting true, false, false. The previous statement also we got true, false, false. Here also we got true, false. Older ones. Okay. Now we'll see greater than or equal to. So document dot write x is greater than or equal to z. Give plus vr plus vr. So x is greater than or equal to 3. X is 1, z is 2. So this should be false. So when we execute it, we should get this as false. Now document conditional if statement we'll look into now. Document dot write x is equal to y. If it is true, so if we put a question mark here, after question mark, if it is true, that will be executed. So yes, it is true. Else part will come after this column. No, it is not true. Here x is 1 and y is 1, they are equal. So x is equal to y is true. So this should be printed. As it is true should be printed. Let us save this. Then let me go to the HTML file, view in browser. So here we are getting false, and this is as it is true. You go here, so this is false. Here we didn't give double BR, so this has come after this false. So false, and we got this as it is true. Now let us look into logical operators. Let me delete this. So we'll have this x is 1, y is equal to 1, and z is equal to 2, and this should be logical operators. Now document dot write will have x is equal to y, and logical operator is denoted by double ampersand, and z is equal to 2. So we are comparing two conditions, x is equal to y and z is equal to 2. So this is AND operator. If it is an AND operator, then both the conditions should be true. If it is true, so x is equal to y, x is 1, y is equal to 1. So this is true. And z is equal to 2, is 2. So this is also true. If both the conditions are true and there is an AND operator, then it will be true. So get the answer true. Let me copy this. Now if I compare x is equal to y and z is equal to 3, this statement is true, but this statement is false. In case of an AND operator, that is denoted by double ampersand, both the statements should be true for the whole statement to be true. So as z is equal to 3 is false, so this should be false. Now x is equal to y, z not equal to 3. So g is not equal to 3 is true. X is equal to y is also true. This statement should be true. This statement should be true. Next statement is document dot write x is equal to y, or say or, that is two pipes symbol, and z is equal to 3. So here x is equal to y, is it true? Because x is 1 and y is 1. Z is equal to 3 is false because z is 2. But we have used or logical operator, which is denoted by double pipe. So here this be true, because in case of an or logical operator, if one of the conditions is true, then the statement be true. So this should be true. Now to get it in separate lines, I'll give a br tag plus br. Let me copy this. Here br, br. So we should get the answers true, false, true, true. Let's go to the HTML file, view in browser, true, false, true, true. Go back here, true, false, true, true. So this is how we can use these logical operators. Now let us look into type of. Here we will just say type of. This will give us the type of that variable. So x is equal to 1, and if I say str is equal to a, just split these parts. If I say document dot write type of type of x, type of x, and document dot write type of str. So here x is a variable which is a constant, and str is a string which is a here. So we are giving what type is x and what type is str. Save it. Go here, the HTML page, file, view in browser. So we are getting x is a number and str is a string, number and string. Go back and see. The type of x is number and type of str is string. Now let us look into instance of. This should be instance of operator, and here where dt is equal to new date, here we'll have document dot write. This is dt instance of this instance of date plus br. Here one more brace, close this brace, and here this one is in a brace, dt instance of date. Save HTML file, view in browser, instance of is true. So here dt is instance of date, we got answer as true. So that's how we can use this instance of operator.